You are effortless, comes to my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. Welcome to my channel, Simply Subrena. There's nothing simple about me, but I'm just simply me. That's all I can be. If you are not new to this, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. And today we are here with a summer hair slay, y'all. First and foremost, super huge thank you to Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video. So I do have this super pretty, like, very summer appropriate look going on. So I'm not gonna lie, I have been more interested in color lately. I've been more interested in trying out like that highlighted look. So this definitely is easing your girl into it, but this unit is so friggin' pretty. So this is a 5x5 closure unit. It is 18 inches and it's this very pretty, like, natural loose. So the curl pattern is like this really easy, like, effortless, natural, like, curly look. It's not super tight. It's more like a beachy, wavy look, which I love, especially for summer. So this is a glueless wig, y'all. Like, you do not have to like secure this or melt this, but y'all know I just learned how to melt a lace, okay? So I'm melting everything. I'm melting everything, okay? But you will see, like, you do not need to melt this lace whatsoever once once you tint it to your natural complexion and all of that. But I had to do the most on this. But no, this is the perfect summer hair. I absolutely love the color. It's not too much. It's like the perfect blend of highlights. This hair is super soft, you guys. When I was styling it and I was going in with just the water alone and I'm working the water in, I'm like, this hair is so soft. It literally feels like this hair was like just had a bunch of conditioner just in it, like the slip, like literally it was just so soft to the touch. I'm very, very impressed by it. But no, I absolutely love the curl pattern. I think these are definitely the more easy to manage curl. No shedding whatsoever, and it's very lightweight. This is like perfect for summer. The hair is super lightweight. Like, I literally feel like I have nothing on my head. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, this is so light, it's ridiculous. Like, super lightweight. You do have a lot of parting space. So this wig like naturally came in this side part, which I love because I actually never wear my hair on this side part. It's typically over here, but I'm liking this. But no, it is a full 5x5 closure. It stops here, so you definitely get like more natural scalp placement, but you don't have to like deal with the hassle of a full like frontal closure during the summer. That's a lot. It's a lot, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I learned how to melt a lace, but frontals are still just very much a lot, especially when you want to, like, be in and out, done with your hair. So yeah, so I did lay it this very first time, but now that it's tinted, this is literally like I'm gonna pop this on my head and go. I love the fact that it comes with an adjustable band, which you guys will see. But yeah, no, this wig is definitely beginner friendly. It has everything you need. It's secure. Like, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Don't mind like the very edges because I didn't really lay them like that, but yeah, this is so freaking cute. Anyways, let me stop rambling and let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay, you guys, so your hair will come in this beautiful purple box. It's your signature color, and you do get some pamphlets with information. I love their message with their wigs. It's, we know switching it up is everything, so unbox the love. I think their slogan is so cute. So obviously you will get your wig in your box. They also send some goodies. They send this little nylon, I don't know what kind of bag, but basically you can store your wigs in there, a wig cap and a wig grip. So this is the hair fresh out the box, and I'm styling this hair fresh out the box. No customization, no nothing. But y'all, look at the color. Like, if you're wanting to try more color, I think this is such a nice like transition into color because it's not like so bright and so in your face, the blonde. So again, this is a 5x5 closure unit. It does come with combs on the side, one in the crown and one in the back. And it comes with the adjustable straps with the wig and an additional adjustable strap. As you can see, it's so easy. You just slide it over to your desired tightness. But yeah, it's very foolproof. I love how it's made, and as you can see with the lace, like you don't have to bleach it or anything like that. It really comes ready to wear. So this is me, hello, with my hair prepped. I did put a wig cap on, but I forgot to put my wig grip on, y'all. I always wear my wig grip when I'm doing like a glueless style for the extra security, and I completely forgot. And y'all are gonna see me like constantly basically shifting the wig around because I didn't have my wig grip on. But put your wig grip on, it will save your life, I'm telling y'all. So this is me, I'm just adjusting it to the tightness level, and right here I'm just showing y'all what it looks like fresh out the box. Like look, like you don't even see like knots or anything, it just looks like scalp right now. So here I'm just making sure everything fits right. I'm lining it up, and now I'm actually going to go ahead and get rid of the lace because again, this is a glueless style. I am going to melt it, you'll see it a little bit later, to blend, but overall we're not using any glue, not necessarily using like any adhesive or anything like that. You don't need it at all, and I'm going to show y'all before I get to that part. So right now I'm just cutting off all the excess lace that I don't need. I did cut it pretty close to the hairline, and y'all look at this. Like even with the lace that it comes, like it's almost invisible, but we are going to go in and tint it. So I'm going in with the Eben tinting mousse, and it's like in a medium dark brown. You would just buy the color that's best for you. So I do like to just put it in the cap. It's just like, it makes for just an easier application. And I just take a makeup brush, and I am going to apply it in the parting section, and then I'm also going to apply it on the lace closure in the front. And you guys are literally gonna see like the little bit of shadow or the little bit of white cast that's there disappear in front of your face. If you don't do nothing else to your wigs, I highly recommend that you guys get a tinting mousse for your lace, especially if you like to wear glueless unit. Y'all look at that. Gone. It's gone. Where's the lace? If you are a glueless girl, you need to invest in some styling, and it's super cheap. It's literally like less than $10, you guys. So not attached, not down, you cannot see any lace. Like look at that. You literally can just go. At this point you could stop and just go, but you know, we're gonna put a little extra into this. We want to lay and slay this a little bit more. So you know, I don't know why, but I just can't wear a wig without baby hairs. I know a lot of people do like the no baby hair looks, but I can't do it, not yet. But I like to do this mainly with closure units because I feel like it just gives a more seamless transition from where the lace is onto the part that doesn't have a lace. So it kind of just helps mask it. And y'all see me tugging on this wig because I don't got my wig grip. Don't be like me, be prepared. And I don't know what in my mind didn't say, hey Sabrina, stop and go get your wig grip, but I don't know, I just kept going. So here I was kind of like patting the tint into the lace because I wanted to just dry down a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead, cut my baby hairs. That one I cut a little bit too long, but you'll see me finesse that later. And I am going in with some gel. This is like the extreme gel. I like it more, I like it better than Eco Styler. Like I've been gave up on Eco Styler like years ago, y'all. But I'm just using some gel, and you can see right here I basically kind of use it to just like not even cover, but just like blend it into the part that doesn't have lace. I just feel like it just makes a more seamless transition, and then it kind of makes it look like you do have like a full-blown frontal, not even like a frontal, but it just makes it look like you just have natural hairline all throughout once that baby hair just like swoops into the other part. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So after, right, again, this part is not required. All I could have done after here was just lay it to set my baby hairs, but because like now that I know how to melt a lace, I'm like obsessed. So I'm just gonna go in with the Eben lace melt spray, and this is not really like an adhesive even though it kind of acts like one, but this is just going to make sure that the lace truly just disappear. So I'm just gonna use the back of my comb to stop it from spraying all over myself because I'm known for that, okay? So using the back of that comb helps, because if not, that thing would have been all over my forehead. But I'm literally just spraying the smallest amount on the edge of the lace, and now I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. And again, this is just going to help that lace just melt better and just truly like disappear. Listen, try it out. Try it out, okay? Try it out. I know. Even if you feel like, girl, I can't melt a lace to save my life, just try out. Just try it out. I promise. I promise, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and style the hair. Obviously, you can tell this hair really don't need much styling. Look at the natural curl. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I should have just left it just like this. But I was like, let me just, go ahead and judge it up. Let me just let the curls pop to its best ability. And right here, when I was just applying the water and I run my hair, this was when I was like, oh my gosh, like it's so soft. Like I was literally just shocked. I was so shocked at how soft it was. But I just went in, applied some water to basically, activate the curls. I really want to see what is like the natural pattern of the curl, because with curly hair it can come one way and then once you wash it and stuff it's just like completely different. But as you can see, the texture is very true to what you see on the website, to what you see when you first get the wig. Like this is when I was like, oh my gosh, it's so soft. So I'm gonna go in with some, who is this, Aussie, their mousse, and I just put a little bit in there, and this is just going to help it form a little bit more, help it keep its curl and shape, not really get poofy or anything like that. And as you can see, I just did like one full pump, but you can see, right, the dry versus the wet and curly, it doesn't change too much. So the texture is very true to what you see on the website, to what you see when you get your wig. So I just did the same thing to the other side, and when I was done with that, I just go ahead and remove the band. And again, this was not like to glue it down or anything like that. It was just to help the lace disappear. And as you can see, I'm like holding the lace while I comb it out because I didn't want to disrupt it. But y'all, look at that. Look at it. Completely glueless, like melted scalp. Like what? Amazing. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look of the hair. This is it all dry. You can see the curl pattern. Again, it's the same natural. It's like a natural loose. Look at the mouth. Look at this scalp. That's my hair. What are you talking about? That's my hair, and it's so freaking cute. I absolutely love this wig. It's so freaking pretty. It was so easy to install. The curl pattern is so pretty, so manageable. The hair is ridiculously soft. Like every time I get human hair that's just crazy soft, I'm just blown away. I'm blown away because it's like, did y'all deep condition it before you sent it over? Like, what is this? But no, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. Again, if you're into the highlight look, maybe you're scared of color, but you want to ease your way into it, I think this unit is perfect because it's not like so bow and like in your face. It's like a more muted down. Y'all, look at this hair. Look how pretty this is. Y'all, was feeling myself this day, okay? I was feeling myself. I was all on my Instagram stories like, child, new hair, who dis? Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this install. Definitely thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.